Hello and welcome. In this short video we will talk about ternary operators. Let's begin. Most modern languages have it. It's a way of reducing the verbose code. Here's the structure. We have a boolean condition. If it's true, we get the first parameter. If it's false, we get the second. That's it. Let's see an example. We have a method that is called is greater than 30. Please don't pay attention to the stupid example. If it's greater than 30, we return text that says that is greater. If not, we return text that says is less. And here's how it works with ternary operator. Simple as that. The outcome will be exactly the same. We just write it in less verbose way. Pause the video and see the differences. I don't have much more to say about it, just whenever you can, use it. It's a useful tool that it makes the code simpler. That's that, see you in the next video.